would have been excellent if not for the rain that morning. In spite of that, the tour guide did a wonderful job in keeping us occupied. Brussels highlights bus and walking tour. Embark on a captivating guided tour of Brussels, the vibrant capital of Belgium, offering a delightful blend of ancient charm and modern allure. The knowledgeable local guides are enthusiastic about unveiling the rich tapestry of the city's past, present, and future. Commencing at the majestic Grand Place, witness the medieval heart of Brussels, followed by iconic landmarks like the Manneken Pis and the Royal Galleries. Relax in comfortable coaches as you journey to the renowned Atomium and admire the architectural splendor of the Chinese and Japanese towers. Returning to the city center, explore the Royal Palace, the European Parliament, and the Council of Europe. With this comprehensive tour, you'll have experienced the essence of the magnificent capital city.